Hello students, this is JEE Mains 2023 January 24 morning shift differential equations. The question is, let y equals to y of x be the solution of the differential equation x cube dy plus xy minus 1 into dx equal to 0, x is greater than 0, y of 1 by 2 equals to 3 minus e, then y of 1 asking. Here first of all we have to find out solution of this differential equation. Then we will get y. So here x equals to 1 by 2 given. When x equals to 1 by 2, y value is 3 minus e. This means. And y of 1 means when x equals to 1, y is asking. Y value required. First of all we have to solve this differential equation. We will get equation of the curve. That is y equal to f of x form we will get. So let us start the solution. Solution. Given differential equation x cube dy plus xy minus 1 dx equals to 0. This implies find out first dy by dx from this. You will get the procedure minus of xy minus 1 dx. This implies dy by dx equals to minus of xy minus 1 by x cube. Now dy by dx equals to minus xy by x cube minus minus plus 1 by x cube. Now minus term right in the left hand side, that becomes plus dy by dx plus xy by x cube equals to 1 by x. This implies here x cube gets cancelled, dy by dx plus y by x square equals to 1 by x cube. This is now equation number 1. Now it is in the form of, here observe this y is there, this is key point here. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. Here p comma q are functions in x. Observe this, p is coefficient of y 1 by x square, q is 1 by x cube. This is called linear differential equation in y. Now we have to follow this procedure. What about p? P equals to 1 by x square, q equals to right hand side part complete 1 by x cube. Now we have to find out integrating factor. Integrating factor formula e power integral p dx. That implies e power integral 1 by x square dx. That equals to e power integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So this is integrating factor. Now write general solution. Formula is y into integrating factor equals to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now substitute y into what is integrating factor? E power minus 1 by x. Integral q is 1 by x cube into integrating factor is e power minus 1 by x dx plus c. Now we have to integrate this part. Here we have to follow substitution method, because minus 1 by x, if you take it as t, derivative of minus 1 by x will be 1 by x square. But here 1 by x cube can be written as 1 by x into 1 by x square. 1 by x into 1 by x square into e power minus 1 by x dx plus c. That's why I am taking minus 1 by x equals to t. Let minus 1 by x equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That implies derivative of minus 1 by x is 1 by x square. Derivative of t dt by dx. This implies dx right in this side. 1 by x square into dx equals to dt. Now convert in terms of t. 1 by x square dx becomes dt. Already minus 1 by x we have taken t. That implies 1 by x in terms of t we can write 1 by x becomes 1 by x equals to minus t. So 1 by x place we can write minus t. 1 by x square dx becomes dt. E power minus 1 by x we have taken already t e power t. Therefore this becomes total. The equation becomes now y into e power minus 1 by x equals to integral 1 by x value is minus t into 1 by x square dx already dt, that is e power minus 1 by x we have taken t. So e power t dt. Now minus right outside the integral, minus t into e power t dt. Now how to find integral of this part? This is, we have to follow here integration by parts, because product of two functions are there. This is algebraic function a, this is exponential function e. Now the question is, once again I am writing y into e power minus 1 by x equals to integral minus integral t into e power t dt. This is algebraic function a, this is exponential function e. This is in the form of I late order, LATE. First algebraic, after that exponential, it is in the correct form. That's why apply integration by parts. Minus bracket open t into integral of second function e power t dt minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function into dt bracket close. That implies minus t into integral of e power t is e power t. Derivative of t is 1. Derivative of t is 1 here. Integral of e power t is e power t. Last dt I am writing here. This dt. First integral, last dt. Remaining part, derivative of first part, integral of second function. Now this implies minus t into e power t minus, this is 1, integral of e power t is again e power t, already plus c is there, y into e power minus 1 by x. Now t write in terms of x. What about t? T means minus 1 by x. So minus 1 by x into e power minus 1 by x minus e power minus 1 by x plus c, y into e power minus 1 by x. Y into e power minus 1 by x. Here in this bracket e power minus 1 by x is common. So minus of e power minus 1 by x into minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. Now dividing both sides with e power minus 1 by x. This becomes y equals to minus of minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c into e power 1 by plus 1 by x. Each and every term we are dividing with e power minus 1 by x. So now this equals to y equals to minus into minus plus 1 by x plus 1 minus c into e power 1 by x. This is the general solution of the given equation. This is I am writing equation number 2. Here we have to find out integral constant c. Here given when x equals to 1 by 2 given, when x equals to 1 by 2, y is 3 minus e given. That's why substitute x place 1 by 2 and y place 3 minus e. 3 minus e equals to, here x place 1 by 2, therefore 1 by x becomes 2 plus 1 minus c into e power x plus 1 by 2, that is 2. Therefore 1 by x becomes 2, here e power 2, therefore 3 minus e equals to 2 plus 1 3 minus c into e square. Here 3 gets cancelled. This implies minus e equals to minus c into e square. Now c equals to e by e square. That implies 1 by e. This is c value. Now substitute c value in equation number 2, you will get general solution. So from equation number 2, y equals to 1 by x plus 1 minus c value is 1 by e into e power 1 by x. This is general solution. In this general solution, they are asking here y of 1 asking. Y of 1 means when x equals 1, y is required. Now this is once again I am writing y equals to 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by e into, when x equals to 1 asking y value, so substitute x equals to 1 in the above equation. 1 plus 1 minus 1 by e into e power 1, 1 by 1 becomes 1, so e gets cancelled. Y equals to 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 cancel, y value is 1, therefore option 1 is correct. Hello students, this is JEE Mains 2023 January 24 evening session. Differential equations. Question is, let y equals to y of x be the solution of the differential equation x square minus 3y square dx plus 3xy dy equal to 0. Y of 1 equals to 1, then asking here 6 into y square e. That means here y square value required, 6y square value required when x equal to e. First, we have to solve the differential equation. Before that, we have to identify what type of differential equation it is. And then we have to solve. We will get equation of the curve y in terms of x. And after that, we have to find 6y square. Let us start solution. Given equation is here x square minus 3y square dx. This equals to minus 3xy dy. Find out dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to minus of x square minus 3y square by 3xy. This is dy by dx, also can be written as dy by dx equals to multiplying with minus. This becomes 3y square minus x square by 3xy. This is equation 1. Here observe this. This is, we have to identify what type of differential equation here. Here degrees, observe this. Numerator and denominator degrees are 2, same. Denominator and numerator having same degree, 2, 2. Xy degree also 2. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation HDE. The procedure is, we have to start with y equals to Vx. Let y equals to Vx and substitute in the equation number 1. First, before that, substitute, differentiate with respect to x here. We will get dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx equals to, here uv formula. V into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. Now substitute in equation 1. From 1, dy by dx place you can write v plus x into dv by dx. Y place we have to write vx. Therefore 3 into v square x square minus x square by 3x into y plus vx. Here numerator x square common, so x square is common. 3v square minus 1, so 3v x square. Now x square gets cancelled. Therefore v plus x into dv by dx equals to 3v square minus 1 by 3v. 3v square minus 1 by 3v. This implies x into dv by dx. I am taking this plus v right in RHS side. 3v square minus 1 by 3v plus v becomes minus v. Take LCM here, 3v is LCM. So 3v square minus 1 minus 3v square. Now plus 3v square minus 3v square gets cancelled. Therefore minus 1 by 3v x into dv by dx. Now here two variables are there, v and x. By using variable separable method, we can solve this equation. Right, v is one side and x are one side. This becomes 3v dv equals to minus dx by x. I am writing, separating the variables here. Now integrating on both sides. Integrate. 3 into integral v dv equals to minus integral 1 by x dx. Now 3 in integral v value v square by 2 minus integral 1 by x dx log mod x plus c. V place, what is v? Already we have taken y equals to vx. Therefore v value becomes y by x. In the place of v, substitute y by x. That's why 3 by 2 into v means y by x whole square. That means y square by x square minus log x plus c. This is now equation number 2. This is equation of the curve. Now we have to find out integral constant c. Here already given y of 1 equals to 1 given. Y of 1 is 1 means when x equals to 1, y value is 1. Substitute x1, y1. That means 3 by 2 into complete this is 1 minus log 1 plus c. Log 1 value 0. That's why 3 by 2 equals this is c. Therefore, c value is here 3 by 2. Instead of c, substitute 3 by 2 from 2 from equation number 2. 3 by 2 y square by x square. 3 by 2 y square by x square equals to minus log x plus c. C value minus log x plus c minus log x. C value I am getting 3 by 2. This is equation of the curve. Now asking here 6y square e required. That means this is the required value 6y square e. This is question mark. That means here when x equals to e, what is 6y square? When x equals to e. Instead of x, substitute e here. So 3 by 2 y square by e square equals to minus log e plus 3 by 2. That implies 3 by 2 into y square by e square equal to log e value 1. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into y square by e square equals to this is 1 by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. That implies y square equals to e square by 3. This is y square value. But here asking here 6y square. Now we are finding 6y square. 6 into what about y square here? E square by 3. So that's why 3 2's are there. For 6y square value is 2 into e square. This is the solution. So third option is correct option.